thanks for the sticker. If you like your American muscle, go and check out Double R Restorations Camaro project. Coming along lovely. And if anyone does want a sticker off myself, then just subscribe and PM me the details and I'll send you one out. Having to spend a bit of time now just making up all the new bits of metal that go in, so just cutting them to shape like that, silly little bits like that, and I've just made that up for the chassis rail as well. Just going to look into making a small patch repair now for this section of cargo floor that someone's punctured a hole in for a table leg previously. So while I'm waiting for the Pour 15 to dry on the seals, I'll crack on with that. Just cut a small piece of steel for this, so you're talking 9 by 10 centimetres, a little bit larger than the hole itself, but it's quite easy. I mean, the angle of each corrugation section on here works out to about 1 centimetre, so hopefully I'll be able to bend that in the brake. I've just used my piece of rail track to hold it down on the top side, and I've just marked it up underneath the underside of it, and hopefully get a good fit on it. Managed to get a good start on this rear wheel well panel as well. All I've done was just opened up the vise to the right width and panel beated the steel to get that shape, the contours of the pressings.